Yau modor basirin yang Jong Snem Tirot Snem oblate hanong ba Dhaka on Plie no akakan dutarik Jong benai rampang mentaka Snem. Laban kedua ni beliau ni umat latih Dhaka sokar India kum kedaka jeng itu yau Tirot Snem kemudian dikiru yelek lai luat jongkari India. Popolong dok oleh tu mana kalang kasokar jelah on ni ikmat dau mutirang ba sembut ubasnya barang dhar nak tanda kalang Jong uru kemudian mesti gendon lang akan dikejelah kabelong nengkat kerja penbet jaga Indian High Commission kebetulan apa Dhaka. Usim Tirot Snem di usim juga mana cloud boleh yang lek persyak ya kebor sencar juga paring. Dia ulah syak kamdo bat lah syasat patok Dhaka baru cloud no agak kanyo tarik. Ubna Julai juga Snem siaja prasba live usan.
On the 16th of next month, the state government has been talking to the Indian High Commission of Bangladesh, and on the 16th of February next, we will be unveiling a life-size statue of Tirot Singh and also a bust of the renowned warrior of the state at Dhaka. The program will be the delegation will be led by the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snem, and I will also be accompanying the team as the program has been at the behest of the Department of Arts and Culture. We will be sharing more details about the program as we approach closer to February 16.